Hi everyone, it's Vivian Resnick, your Tampa Bay, Florida Realtor. Thanks for watching. We have a new listing in the Royal Crest community in Lakeland, Florida, and want to share it with you. This pool home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, plus over 1,600 heated square feet of living space, an RV covered parking spot, plus a 30 by 40 steel frame workshop that is insulated and has its own HVAC system. This home is a must-see. Let's take a tour. To save thousands when selling your home and have your home featured on our YouTube channel, give us a call. You can find us at listforlessflorida.com. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can find our handles below or click the red button to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.